Good morning. My name is Rashida Brown, and welcome to Everyday Math for the second grader. Today, we'll be going over some addition and some subtraction. In the recent weeks, we've learned how to add and how to take away. Today, in our lesson, we'll be learning patterns, and some patterns go forward and some go backward. So let's get into our lesson. Okay. Our Unit 2 today, it says find the missing number and the rule for each question. So for number 1, we have two. Number 1 is 2, 4, 6. We have 1 blank, 2 blanks, 3 blanks, and then we have 14, 16. So if 2 is the first number, how many do you need to get to the next number? So 2, then we have 4. So let's count. 2, 3, 4. Well, if we counted from 2 and we get 4 using 2, let's try it again. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 2, 4, 5, 6, that's 2. Wow. Well, let's try another. 2, 6, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6. So let's try 7, 8. So what would be the pattern if we're counting 1, 2, now we're at 3, 4, and we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right, 9, 10. Thank you, Michael. Now, continuing on with the pattern, what would be the next number? Okay, 12. We'll try that. Thank you, Kelly. Now, let's see if that works. So, we have 12. Now we count 2 more. 13, 14. And then we count 2 more. 15, 16. Wow. Well, that might just work. So what would be the rule if we went from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 to 16? Thank you, Mary. 2. I think that would be right. Plus 2. So we use the rule add 2 to each of the sequences in the first question, and that seemed to fit. Okay, let's try another. Number 2 says 21, 24, 27, blank, 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 39, 42. Well, let's see. 21. Then we have 24. What's those missing numbers in there? Well, let's try it. 21. So we count 22, 23, 24. Okay. Now we count from 24, and we got to get to 27. Let's see if that's going to work. 24, 25, 26, 27. Well, so far it's working. Let's try to fill in these blanks. What will be the next number? Thank you, Keisha. 30. We'll try that. Let's see. Now, we're counting like this. We have 21, 24, 27. Now we have 30. What might be the next number? Okay, Michael, 33. Okay. All right. So, if we get 33, our next number should be what? Let's see if that works, 36. Okay, so if we're counting, and so far we've come from 21 to 36, and then we're counting to 39. Let's see if that works. 36, 37, 38, 39. Well, okay. And now we're going to see if we can make it to 42 using this same system. 39, 40, 41, 42. So who can tell me the rule for number 2? Okay, I believe you're right. That would be plus 3. So you see how things are going? If you can count by 2s, you know the rule. And if you can count by 3s, you know the rule. So let's try another. Moving on. This should be fun. Okay, number 3 says 55, 60, 65. Okay, calm down. This is one of those. Okay. All right. Who was the next number? Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. Let's try 70. Okay. And if this is going to be 70, what might the next number be? Okay, hold on. We got to get through the next one first. Hold on. Okay. 75. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Now, continuing with the pattern. Okay. 80. All right, let's try that. Okay. So, and then to see if that pattern works, let's go from 80 to 85. Okay. And now the next number, 90. Now, since everybody knows the answer already, let's say it together. Okay, we're adding 5. Thank you. That worked. You see how easy that is? Some are easier than others. Okay, now let's try number 4. We're starting at 100, and the numbers seem to be going down. So we go from 100, and now we jump to 90. And from 90, we jump to 80. Let's count. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90. Okay. And so we do the same to get from 90 to 80. So take a guess and tell me what you believe that our first blank will be. Okay, 70. We'll try that. Okay, let's test it and see if it works. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. Well, all right. All right, we're on to something here. Okay, and moving along, what might our next number be? Well, Tasha, I don't think that 80 is going to work because we have 80 over here and we're following a pattern. So think about it and count using the same concept. Okay? Yes, 60. Exactly. That's going to work. Thank you. Okay. Now, continuing on with that pattern, what might be the next blank? 50. Let's try that. Okay. Now, to see if this works, we will test it to see if we get from 50 to 40. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Okay. And now we test that same thing with the next number, 30. So who can tell me what the rule is? Okay, minus 10. That is correct. Thank you. All right. Now we move on to number 5.
We ain't got no more time.
We move on to number 5. And who can tell me what the rule is? Well, let's try it. 49, then we get to 42. So we have 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42. Okay. And the next number? So what might the next number be? Okay, well, let's try it. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. Ah, that works. Okay, slow down, Michael. Okay, we'll try the next one, 21. Okay. All right. And let's see to continue on. Okay, 14. All right. Okay. So, see, these are easier numbers so you guys can see the pattern. Okay. All right. And then 7. 0. So what is the rule? -7? Well, okay. Well, so far, that's how we're going with the lesson. And we've been identifying some facts, adding a number and subtracting a number. And as we continue in everyday math, we learn facts and it increases our knowledge, and this is what we do to advance. So thank you. That's all we have for today. Good night.